Welcome back, everyone. We're back again with this 2013 Kia Forte that we've done. What have we done? We've done brake light video on this. We've done a front brake pad video. Right now, it needs an engineer filter, and I'm going to show you that real quick. It's 4 clips, and you swap out the filters. It's really easy. So if you want to come in, I'll show you. And this is for the 13 with, I believe, the 2-liter. But there's clips in the front. There's one underneath the large intake tube, and you just push on it. There's one here next to the battery, and there's a couple in the back. You just go into all the corners basically. This one's at an angle, and then there's one here underneath the wires, and then this lifts up, and then we pull our old filter out. So you know if you need a new filter if it looks like that. There's all kinds of, there's like a bird feather and dirt and grass and all kinds of stuff in it. So we've got a new one here. And it's a Fram filter. And it's your part number if you're getting a Fram filter. 10470. And there's nothing really special about this. We're just going to put this right back in the hole where the old one came from. Double check they're the same. And they are. And then we're going to put the clips back. And that is it. And that is it. Come on. There we go. It's my first day. My first day? There. Like I said. Done. 2013 Kia Forte 2-liter. Engineer filter. Simple. Go out and do it. Save some money. Subscribe. Like the video. Share. Please.
Okay, bye.
Bye.